So, hello my friends, Devon Linux here, pxpresets.com. In today's video, we're going to do our setup and installation guide on how to install Adobe Lightroom mobile presets on iPad. Do know that this particular tutorial is compatible with all older and current generation iPad models, so keep that in mind for the duration of this tutorial. But on with the tutorial. First, download the files onto your mobile device, either through the browser or the email that we sent you. Next, open the Files app, select the Downloads folder, then the preset packed.zip file. Note if you don't already have the Files app installed on your device, head over to the App Store, type in Files, then download and install the Files app by Apple. From here, now you can head back into the Files app itself. Now back in the app, Files will automatically unzip the archive files. Next, open Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Once launched, you're greeted with the library view. In the bottom right-hand corner, select the photo icon. Then select from Files, which opens the Files window. In this window, navigate to your Downloads folder, select the preset pack, and in here you'll see a series of blank photos, which are the Lightroom mobile presets. To select them, press the Select button in the top right-hand corner, then tap each of the files. Once selected, press the Open button to add them to your Lightroom library. Lightroom then automatically reopens the library view window, and now you'll see the preset collection name and the individual preset names. To create the actual individual preset, select any of the preset files in the library. Once you do that, Lightroom will then automatically open the Loop View editing window. In the right-hand panel, tap on the presets icon. Then in the top right, tap the three dots icon to bring up the options menu. And in the pop-up window, select Create Preset. At this point, Lightroom now automatically opens the new preset screen. Here, write the preset name, then select a group. By default, Lightroom saves custom presets to the user preset group, but you can specify otherwise if you'd like. Once done, tap the checkmark icon at the upper right-hand corner to save. Your preset is now available in the presets menu. Now open any of your photos, find the presets icon, then tap on it. Now browse for the preset you saved, then tap on it to apply it to your photo. And here you can see the before and after to see the changed effect. From there, all you do is repeat these steps for the next subsequent Lightroom mobile preset in the pack until you have all presets named and added to your library. So there you have it, my friends. There is our setup and installation guide on how to install Adobe Lightroom mobile presets on iPad. I hope you found this video insightful and that it walked you through the workflow process of adding Lightroom presets on your mobile devices. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment in the description down below. And also, while you're down in the description down below, check out the link to our free Fashion Volume 1 preset pack. If you are shooting commercial, fashion, portrait, or beauty photography, so that you can get some free Lightroom presets to get you started more powerfully. I've been your host, Devon Linux, pxpresets.com. We'll see you in the next video.